Hi everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle in this summer additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 14th, 2022. And I've told you I have a lot of troubles with this kind of letter sudokus, letters with more than one, the same letter, yeah. Here we have 4 times an E and 2 times an R, so it will be difficult, and you cannot do this in the Sudoku. Otherwise, this will be total different than the regular Sudokus. Anyway, let me continue with the Two Stars Sudoku number. This will be number 4851. So I won't do this anymore. The letter Sudoku. It's a shame that the publisher published this one, because there are more solutions. If you look to the solution, it's total different. So, all right, 2 stars Sudoku, and for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second row, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the third column. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then, yeah, let me think. 7, 3, 5. Alright, 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 7 in the second column. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. So only place left for the 7 in the second column should be here. Alright, 7, 7. 8. I'm scanning. 8, 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4, it goes there. Then the 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 6 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. You see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. 1 box left in the middle row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the column next, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box give me 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 1. 6. Okay. Then. Two numbers left in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then. How about? 7, 5, 2. 7, 5, 1, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 7 and the 5 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and the 5. So 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the column next. So on the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 7, 2, 9. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. No. Then. How about the 1 in this row? The 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 11 minutes already passed. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 8, I believe. 6 and the 8 are missing in this row. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. All right. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about these 2 numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box give me 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Quicker than I predicted. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third puzzle in a summer additional. So see you later. Until then, bye bye for now.